Samantha.
And today, I have a surprise, even for you, because you have no idea what's in the box.
I have an idea.
You have an idea, but you don't know really what it is. Well, I mean, we have a collection of sonic screwdrivers. This is the 12th Doctor screwdriver. That one right there is a remote control of the 11th and 12th. 11th and 12th. So
they shared a screwdriver.
They did share a screwdriver until it got destroyed. Yeah. And then the 12th, the TARDIS made the 12th, this one. I like this one. This is one of my favorites. It actually has 3 sounds in it.
No, it has 4.
4, that's right, it does. It's got that one, that, and then, yeah, so it's got 4. That.
This is a TV remote.
That's a TV remote.
Surprisingly.
It's heavy duty metal too.
So, and it has a bass standed on.
I think it makes. I'm pretty sure. I thought this one made sounds.
I didn't think so.
Yeah. No, it's just.
Just chuck it.
No, it didn't. No, because you can. It's magnet, so you can flick it.
Oh.
Like he does in the show. But I thought it didn't make sounds. There's a way to make it make sounds.
Just.
But I mean, you can also set it up. I mean, you can use it for just like role playing or something like that, or I don't know. Use it.
Okay then. I know it's super hard to get out of the box.
It's because it's heavy too, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this is done by company did this, the Wand Company, I believe.
And again, this video is not sponsored.
It's not sponsored, but anyway, so
we don't have people.
Well, there's this button right here.
I'm pretty sure that's the TV.
I know, but I don't have it set up to work on TV.
Oh.
I know it's a pretty cool one. I wanted to get David Tennant's the 9th and 10th Doctors, but they don't make them anymore. So
yeah, so
I'd have to go on eBay and spend way too much money, and I don't make that kind of money anyway.
So, who's your favorite Doctor?
My favorite Doctor is David Tennant, the 10th Doctor.
I guess we have a thing for Doctors in order, because I love the. Well, I guess the only reason I like him is because that's the only one I can remember, but I do like the 9th.
The 9th Doctor?
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Alright, so anyway, so we got the screwdrivers here.
There.
Okay.
Alright.
So anyway.
But that's not what we're here for.
Kinda.
Kind of is, but.
It kinda is. Okay, so this box right here, it's addressed to me. It is actually from England.
Oh wow.
It's got a English stamp on it.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so anyway, we'll break out our common kitchen knife.
That is not a common kitchen knife. That's a freaking army knife.
No. That's what I use to cut MREs open. So it was a standard common
Tell
MRE.
me, this is not an army knife.
It isn't. Okay, whoa, so there's peanuts in here.
Okay, so.
Hey, wait a minute. I'll take my box.
I'm taking your box.
Okay, so.
Peanuts. Shoe.
It's a bigger box than I thought it was.
So what, you're saying it's like the TARDIS?
Yeah, bigger on the inside. Alright, so here we go.
Oh my god, there's peanuts everywhere. Oh no.
Oh, they're sticking.
Okay.
Alright, so we'll close the box up. Put that over here. Okay.
There's a tin can.
Okay,
I need your standard.
Okay, so the company that does the props for the show is called RubberToe, and they also sell the props from the show. But they're actually like official props. The guy that hand makes them. Okay, so what we got here?
12
Doctor Sonic Screwdriver by RubberToe Replicas. You can see it's nice.
Tin case
nice
with
box,
the TARDIS and symbol and.
Yeah.
So let's.
Gallifreyan symbols on it and stuff.
Let's open it. I'm gonna open it.
Don't open it.
I want to open it.
I want to open it. I paid for it. So.
Fine.
Why don't you just entertain me with a little? Okay, so open this thing up.
I can't if you're talking.
Okay. Oop, we got a certificate of authenticity, number 202 of 500. It's actually signed by Nick Robato. He's the one that makes all the things.
But
So
that's kind of cool that there's only a certain amount.
Yeah. Okay, so here is the letter. Congratulations on your purchase with the official licensed screen accurate 12th Dr. Sonic screwdriver from Doctor Who. It's a perfect replica of the actual prop that Peter Capaldi will be using in the upcoming series 10 of Doctor Who. So this was letter's old because he's not doing it anymore. But anyway, let's see. Does it come with batteries?
Well, let's. Okay, so it has the foam cover over it, so it's a big surprise.
It does. Bum bum bum.
Ooh, it's shiny.
It's very shiny.
It's metal. Wait, isn't this the one?
Well, this is the plastic $12 Hot Topic version. So that's the main difference.
So
that's the stand that goes on. You want to do a double?
Can't.
There you go.
But no, basically does all the same things. And oh.
I think that's how you change the battery. Are you breaking my toy already?
Your toy?
Yeah, my toy. Oh, that is batteries.
Batteries.
Yeah, you found the battery compartment.
Congratulations. Yeah. But it does come with batteries.
That's very nice.
And the stand is also signed like the certificate.
And it's 2 of 2 of 500.
So this is pretty special.
Yeah, let me see. Can you see? No, hold it. Yeah. Wow, you can tell there's an obvious weight difference.
Yeah, and one's a lot shinier in color difference.
Oh yeah.
Then the foaming has Gallifrey symbols on it, and Gallifrey is the home planet to the what are they called?
The Time Lords.
The Time Lords.
So let's see, it stands up in this little thing like this. Cool, huh?
Mhm.
Yeah.
One's a lot louder than the other.
Yes, definitely this one. Well, you can tell that.
And the doctor actually had to carry that on him.
Yeah, it's not much too much heavier. It looks a little bigger too.
Might be a little thicker and bulkier.
Yeah.
And then this one's cheap because can you see them? There's like a tip, so it shines through the top. This one doesn't.
Mm-hmm.
One's clearly louder than the other.
Yeah, it's true. But this one's
more authentic.
This one costs a lot more too. But I mean, it's just the metal and wow. I haven't seen it yet. It was the first time I opened the box too.
Yeah.
I ordered it back in December.
Jeez.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's handcrafted and everything.
So it takes a while to make.
It does. It takes a while to make, and because he makes it by hand, and from his shop, it's not sponsored, but it's RubberToe replicas from the UK.
That's pretty cool.
When you order something, you have to convert it to British pounds.
Okay then.
Yeah. It's very
some
cool,
history on Doctor Who. Doctor Who is a British science fiction television program produced by BBC since 1963. And a fact that my brother told me is we don't have a lot of the first few episodes because they burned in a fire.
Yeah, there was a big warehouse fire.
And
the BBC burned down.
That's why we only have a few clips of that.
Well, they're starting to find
bits and pieces
from radio or from TV stations that had old VHS copies or whatever tape copies they had.
But no, that's...
And they're slowly piecing together the original series.
And this adventurous thing is this show is about a Time Lord called the Doctor. He doesn't, or she, now to the 13th Doctor?
The 13th Doctor?
As a she.
Yeah.
And,
It's very interesting.
Yeah, so I can't refer to the Doctor as
a
he anymore.
No, you can't.
It
was never really a he. It's always been kind of an alien. I don't know if they actually have its species.
Let's just refer to it as it.
Or Doctor. The Doctor.
It was called the Doctor, and it didn't have any name, so that's the running joke, and the companions would ask, "What's your name?" The Doctor. The Doctor Who, because Doctor Who is like Doctor, then your last name, but that's why it's Doctor Who. So, and the planet that he's from is Gallifrey, and in a battle between the Daleks, which is what's on my computer, is the battle between them. The planet got destroyed.
Yeah.
And so
by the Daleks during the Time War.
Yeah. And the Doctor, he actually stole the TARDIS. And so the TARDIS was not just any normal. Where is it? I know it's up here. It's like right here. Yeah. It's not just a normal phone police box. It's a freaking time traveling machine. And he travels in the TARDIS. The exterior is a blue British police box, which is a common sight in Britain in 1963 when the series first aired. So, of course, every single Doctor is accompanied by a companion.
Mm-hmm.
Who was your favorite companion?
Oh, Amelia Pond. Or Rose. I don't know. It's really hard to say.
They were kind of like the main ones, weren't they?
Well, and then Clara came in, but I didn't really like her so much. I think she stayed around the longest. She stayed with Matt.
She was like the big main.
And then she went all through Capaldi's run almost.
And what was that one guy's name? The one that kept on dying.
Oh, Rory?
Rory would not stay dead.
No.
He kept on coming back.
He did. He kept coming back for Amy. No matter what, he was always there for Amy.
Yeah, but he was also kind of annoying. You have to admit that.
Maybe a little bit annoying. But,
And mostly the companions were females.
They were. Now her companions there's a group of them.
Yeah. Normally it's just one or two, yeah.
Now she has a group of companions.
Yeah, 4.
Yeah. Should be interesting to see what they do next season.
Yeah. I can't remember the name of my favorite episode, but I can describe it. I can't remember which Doctor it was. I think it was the one with Bez.
Okay, so Matt Smith.
Matt. Yeah, and he had to, I can't remember what planet it was, but there's this princess who was singing, and there's this giant star ball that was like thirsting on memory.
No, really?
Yeah, I can't. And since he's been so through many different incarnations, and it killed a normal human being or normal alien, and it couldn't kill the Doctor because he's been through 13 reincarnations. No, because Matt is the 11th.
No.
Wait.
Yeah, Matt was the 11th.
11th, so he's been through.
But then they threw in the War Doctor there.
Yeah, the War Doctor.
That kind of threw off the numbering scheme. Because then now they just call him he's still, I guess, technically the 11th. Because when there was the War Doctor in between.
Yeah,
they just call him the War Doctor.
So, and
So you don't really say like 1 or 2.
That was, the War Doctor kind of messed everything up.
Yeah, but we loved him anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was the guy on Aliens. The first movie, Alien.
See, I never
chest burster popped out.
See, I never watched that.
No, that was John Hurt. He was the.
No.
He was the original chest burster victim in the original Alien movie.
And then the
You haven't seen the original?
Nope, I haven't seen any Aliens.
I've shown you everything.
Nope.
You have not seen the original Alien.
I have never seen any of the Aliens, and yet I have seen almost all the Friday the 13th.
No, you haven't.
Yeah.
You have.
I've seen like 6.
You've seen 6 of them?
I think so. Wait. I think I've seen like bits and pieces.
Well, they went up to, let's see, 8 was Jason Takes Manhattan, and then they rebooted it in space with Jason X.
And then
they tried to reboot the series again with Friday the 13th, which wasn't good at all.
Yeah, and then they did Jason versus Freddy.
They did a Jason versus Freddy.
I know I've seen the wait, why are we talking about horror movies?
Well,
This is supposed to be about Doctor Who.
Well, because the original
Aliens, yeah.
Yeah.
And
the War Doctor was in the original Alien movie. That's why.
Anywho.
All our conversations lead other places. You should know this. You know how this family works.
Okay, but anywho, the canine, which is actually
The mechanical dog.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's not really. It looks like it doesn't have any resemblance of a dog besides its head, and it's a skin in Minecraft, which used to be my favorite skin. You're only 1 block high, so.
What do you mean?
Yeah, the canine skin's only 1 block.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
Oh, okay. No, when Microsoft took over the Minecraft, they got rid of a lot of those user-based skins.
And it was kind of sad.
Yeah.
There were some good skins.
There was a lot of good skins. I thought Minecraft was supposed to be about community and making stuff, and then Microsoft came in and
slapped it and said
everything.
no.
Yeah. Well, then you got to deal with licensing.
And but
that's
no, the canine lasted from 2009, which was the year I was born, to 2010. So it only lasted for a year.
What? Oh, the Minecraft?
The canine.
Oh, okay. Well, because Canine was in the original back before.
Like Space Factor.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, because I remember watching the original Doctor, I think the 5th Doctor, when I was a kid.
Why did I can't?
That's the
TARDIS.
Memorial TARDIS.
And the front of it is covered in flowers. And then the other side is what it normally looks like. And it has a little light on it. But on the sign it says, police telephone free for use of public. Advice and assistance. Something immediately. Officers and cars respond to all calls pulled to open. And it's kind of cool how they did the art of Clara as a pop.
Yeah,
like a pop,
we have her pop somewhere.
Yeah, I know we do.
We have a lot of pops.
I have the 9th Doctor, but I don't know where he went.
Yeah, I think they're all in the garage. Well, my David Tennant one is the one that I had signed.
Yeah.
It's in the garage too.
And then did you get a picture with him?
I did. Me and Mom got a picture with David Tennant and Billy Piper, who plays Rose.
And then we have the new famous 13th Doctor. And the funny thing is that, wait, I don't want to have any spoilers, so I'm just going to shut my mouth.
About what?
The Doctor.
What about?
In one of the episodes.
Display all of these.
In the first episode, the Doctor had to go shopping for clothes for its female figure.
Yeah, I remember that.
And yeah, even on the back it has the 12th Doctor, the 11th Doctor, 12th Doctor, and then they don't only refer to him as a number. As we said, it's the War Doctor. So.
Probably no batteries in it, that's why. See, I have probably no batteries. Look up some screws.
My brother has one that looks like this.
He does.
And the bottom this flicks off, and there's a red button, and it makes noise.
RubberToe makes these ones too, but I didn't really like that screwdriver as much as I liked this one. I don't know why. Now they have the new Doctor's sonic screwdriver.
Where
it's the more crystal-like.
And she actually made it herself.
She did. She made it herself. TARDIS did not help. Well, the TARDIS was not around when she made the sonic screwdriver.
Yeah, so. And it's kind of sad to see that this season started off with no TARDIS.
Yeah.
Which is kind of the main key of the whole show, except for the actual doctor.
Around, but yeah, that would be weird without a doctor.
Then what would be the point of the show?
I don't know. They just can't have the TARDIS show.
Yeah.
Just randomly disappearing, appear in places.
Yeah.
So what are we gonna do with these? Are we gonna display them? Or are we gonna put them back in boxes?
Man, I don't think we have that many for them, but.
We do not have that.
Okay, so since we have some big geeky fans out there.
Do we?
I mean, heck, I've seen, I think one year when I went to a convention, there was like a group of like 3 different doctors.
Yeah.
So there's some pretty big fans out there.
Of Doctor Who, yes, there is.
And now girls don't have to, if you're a big fan of Doctor Who, you no longer have to dress up as a boy.
No, you don't.
Yep, you can be your own.
You can be a girl. You can be female. There was actually a Doctor Who cosplayer at that Comic-Con we went to in New Braunfels.
Oh.
I asked her if she had her sonic screwdriver on her. Of course she did.
Well, I mean, what kind of question is that?
Well, you know, some people maybe don't carry their sonics with them. I mean, the 12th Doctor didn't have a sonic for a while, and then he had those sonic sunglasses, remember that? Which the fans were not happy about.
Because, I mean, you got part of, cut off a big part of the show.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, every doctor had a sonic screwdriver. That's like part of the doctor.
Yeah.
That's his main tool to do things. I don't know. I'm not really sure exactly what it does, because yeah, it just fills in a role when they need it. So. But yeah.
Yeah, and.
There's a lot of Doctor Who cosplayers. That's really. That's cool. We need to find a Doctor Who scarf.
Yeah, my aunt made one for my brother.
Yeah.
I mean, girls pulled it off, but.
Yeah. There's a lot of girls that play
That.
Matt Smith or whatever.
Yeah.
Which is cool.
And it's kind of cool to see him at the conventions, because you get to meet your people. Well, not your people, but like people that you can relate to.
Yeah.
So. But, so.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that was pretty. The sonic screwdriver was pretty interesting. I didn't know which doctor it was, because you told me nothing.
No, I didn't tell anybody anything.
Didn't tell anyone.
So you start asking me questions.
And questioning you, like my birthday presents, until you told me what they were.
Right. I don't even know what they are.
Sometimes you forget them. But, as you can see, Doctor Who and just the entire corporation of the Doctor Who Society makes merch and support and all that stuff. Heck, they even make shirts for like 6-year-olds to full-on adults. No, that's my favorite Doctor.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's probably the only reason I like him, is because he's the only one I can remember.
Oh, yeah.
And the episode I remember
We should watch more Doctor Who then.
The episode I remember him from was the one where the mannequins come alive.
Oh yeah, that was like the first one ever. That was like the first of the reboots.
So.
Okay. Thank you.
You're a fez.
Thank you. Thank you for fezzing me.
So, goodbye. See you next time. Wait, hold up. We can't tell you anything because we don't know what we're doing for the next video. So, bye. See you next time.